Start by opening the Essential section from the left side menu. Select eSign to access your electronic signature tools. Click Categories to organize your document templates for easy navigation. Enter your new category name to keep your templates neatly sorted. Click Add to include this category in your library. Confirm the category creation by clicking OK. Close the Category Manager when you're done organizing. All the categories you've created will appear here. If you've saved any document templates under a category, they will appear in that category's dropdown. Click New Document to start preparing your e-signature file. Type in the name and email of the person who needs to sign. You can add as many signers as you want. Add the signer to your document workflow to keep the process moving. Click Continue to proceed after adding your signer. Upload your document to begin the e-signing process. Confirm and continue to complete your document upload. Give your document a clear, recognizable name. Choose the appropriate category for quick access and to save this document template within that selected category. Select the input type, such as signature or date, that your signer will use. Once you've selected the input field, simply click where you want the signer to sign. Once you're satisfied with the field placement, click Add Field. Repeat the same process if you want to add other fields, such as text or date. If you have more than one signer, you can choose which signer should sign where by selecting the signer first and then selecting the field. Mark the required checkbox to make the field mandatory for signing. Click Save if you want to save this template for future use with the same field placement. Click Save and request to send your document for e-signature. It will also save this as a template for future use with the same field placement. Confirm to send your document directly to the designated signers. You're all set. The signature request has been sent successfully. Your saved document will appear in the category you selected, and you can use it in the future. Jump to the Document section to view and manage all your files in one place. The status will show as pending until the signer completes and finalizes the document. You can resend the e-sign request by clicking here, or edit the email if you made a typo or any mistake. As soon as the signers complete their signatures, the status will change to finalized. Preview the document with a single click to review its contents before taking action. To download the document. When the signers complete the signing process, the signed document will be sent to their email. A secure key will be included in that email so they can open and download the document. If a signer forgets their key or deletes the email, you can view the secure key here and share it with them.